If I was to describe my personal experience here at Qalam in one word, I would say it's family. That seems like an interesting or a weird answer to give about an educational institution, about a school. But subhanAllah, one of the key things that I have found about our Islamic studies is that we are connected to a tradition. Right? We are connected to the life of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, he says, I look forward to seeing my brothers and my sisters. And the companions around him said, O Messenger of God, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, are we not your brothers and sisters? And he said, no, you are my companions. You are my companions. Rather, my brothers and sisters are those who believed in me and never got to see me. So you feel that you are connected to that family. You're now connected to a tradition, but you're also connected to a family here, that you have, your brothers and sisters here that you grew with, that that you're learning with, that you're improving with. And part of family is not just being there for one another, but it's also helping each other improve, opening doors for one another, having connections, and just growing together. And so if I was to summarize my experience here at Qalam, I would say it's like joining a family.